Ok,អញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមតលេង Red Dead Redemption 2ព្រោះយើងបន្តទៀតអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងលេងនៅលើវគ្គOld Friend អូខេចាំយើងបន្ត mission យើងតអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅជួបមួយនៅ Bill អញ្ចឹង Bill នឹងជាសមាជិកក្រុម Wendling Gang ដែរមាន Bill មាន Micah មាន John Javier នឹងចេះតែជាសមាជិកក្រុម gang ទាំងអស់គ្នា
I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never
អូខេ
seen
នេះ
so many
Lenny
long
Lenny ក៏ជា
faces.
សមាជិកក្រុមដែរ
I guess folks miss them. I fell, but when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
អូខេក្រុមយើងជុំគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្នាប្រហែលអ្នក
Sure.
នៅសល់ប្រហែលអ្នកខ្លះទៀត
I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
You sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No, you're just doubting me.
I would never doubt you, Dutch. You always said revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call, Arthur. Take this.
អូខេអ
And
ញ្
this
ចឹ
is
ង
about
មេយើងឲ្យ
more
កំភ្លើងយើង
than
មកដើម
revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators
ឲ្យ
here.
ខ្សែចងមួយទៀត
Cole always had good information. Come
អូ
on.
ខេ
And you think
ចឹង
now is the right time to hit
mission
a
ហ្នឹង
train.
គឺយើង
Now
ចាប់
you
ផ្ដើមទៅចាត់ការ
might
Otis
fancy
School
living
ហ្មង
on
Otis
deer
School
piss
gang
and rabbit
ដែលយើង
shit.
ទូមិនដឹងវគ្គមុនថានៅ
I'm
ជិត
getting
នឹង
too old
ហើយ
for that life.
មានកម្រងប្លន់ធនា
Mr.
គារ
Matthews, Mr. Smith,
ចឹង
Mr. Pearson. Would
Otis
you
School
please
ហ្នឹង
look
តែង
after
តែ
the
មាន
place?
ព័ត៌មាន
There
ល្អ
are
សម្រាប់តែរហូត
O'Driscolls
អញ្ចឹង
about.
តែចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅចាត់ការដើម្បីយកព័ត៌មានឲ្យបានអស់
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Okay, let's go find these bastards before they find us and rob this store they're planning.
អូខេអញ្ចឹងក្រុមយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅជំរុំអីមាន Bill Javier Micah Lenny Arthur យើងហ្នឹងហើយនឹងដាច់មេក្រុមរបស់យើងមកអញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀបចំក្បួនទៅអីអត់ដឹងថា Otis School ហ្នឹងទៅមុំប៉ុណ្ណាទេតែទៅឲ្យបាន
Horses,
អ្នក
quite a few of them. As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Como Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
It will be.
Some things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Annabelle, I can't do neither.
You killed his brother, Dutch.
Yes, I did. And I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this'll end.
Damn right, boss.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake,
អូខេ
so
អ
we
ញ្ចឹង
must be
ដាច់
close.
មួយ Otis School ហ្នឹងគឺមានកំណុំគ្នាសងសឹកគ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកអញ្ចឹងដាច់ហ្នឹងធ្លាប់ស្លាប់ប្អូនផងមេក្រុម Otis School ហ្នឹងហើយ
Hold up here.
Otis School ហ្នឹងក៏សងសឹកវិញដែរ ដូចជាស្លាប់ក៏គ្នាផោះដាច់ដែរអញ្ចឹងចាប់ដើមសងសឹកគ្នាលេងទៅមក
This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now,
អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ដើម
Mr.
រៀបក្
Morgan
បួន
and
ហើយ
we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងមួយដាច់មេក្រុមហ្នឹងទៅមើលសភាពការសិនទៅមើលជំរុំសិនជំរុំប៉ុណ្ណា
There they are.
អូ
That's
ខេអញ្ចឹង
definitely
ជំ
them.
រុំរៀង
Home?
ធំដែរ
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
អូខេជីសេះហ្នឹងមេក្រុមហើយវាចិត្តសេះហ្នឹងមេក្រុមឈ្មោះខម OT School
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. All right, let's go pay our old friends a visit.
អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងចិត្តទៅជួបមិត្តចាស់យើងទៀតហើយ
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅយក
You two get up there and keep us
កភ្លើ
covered.
ងយើងនៅលើនៅ
Sure thing.
នៅលើសេះទុកនៅក្នុងទុកក្នុងកាបូបអូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចរើសកភ្លើងយើងបាន
Good. Come on, let's go.
អញ្ចឹងយើងចាប់ដើមបែកគ្នា
It's easiest to take the same path down.
យើង
as
មក
down
ខាង
Micah.
ដាច់ហើយ
Like you said,
មកខាងទៀតគេ
revenge
ចូល
is
តាម
luxury
ផ្លូវ
we
មកខាង
can't
ទៀត
afford.
Yeah, just
Miền
wasn't sure you agree
លេ
with
នី
me.
មាន Javier មាន
Arthur, have you
Micah
completely
យើងទៅ
lost
យើង
faith in me?
ទៅពីអ្នកយើង
Our
ទៅ
needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here.
អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើង
Everything else, including Colm.
ទៅរក OT School ហ្នឹងយើងយកព័ត៌មាន
There's
យក
enough of those
supply
bastards
យក
down there to deal with as it
យក
is. Come on.
ស្បៀងអាហារអីហ្នឹងប្លន់យកទាំងអស់
It's steep here. Careful.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first. Down through these trees, quick. Stay low. Come on, follow me.
Getting
cover, Arthur.
So, what are we doing, Dutch?
Okay, chân dương chập đám Phần bật cá
Take the...
Boss man.
So, what are we doing, Dutch?
Okay.
All right, boys. Kill these sons of bitches.
Bánh đưa bánh trống. Okay, làm cháu cuốn là sụp búa. Okay, đặt crop. Lớn đặt crop lên lươn đá. Trời mùi headshot. Okay, đã ta headshot nữa. Thế nơi mùi tiết. Kịch rùa về bánh trăng. Ok, bánh hái lui tiền. Miền ấy do mà.
Of course not. Colm doesn't give a damn about his men. All he cares about is numbers. If you can shoot a gun, ride a horse, and kill without thought, you're in.
Ok, dừng nơi ở toàn thế nơi kia đi mà tiết. Ok, dừng chập ram ra đẹp ái chừng những bánh lớn lươn chừng môn. Tràn crop bánh chưng anh mong dead eye. Ok, dead eye dừng bạn chân dương ở trong bánh như ai dead eye ấy dư tê chứ. Ok, hold LB dương Phật Thanh Nam ở dead eye dương làng Vinh dead eye thân này really. Ok, bác dead eye giờ khăn chừng môn chẳng giờ bắt đầu bị bánh hay giờ ngọt chào thế rồi giờ ai ván miền ngọc bài vật ná do tầng bàn vào lương bàn chiên bàn ấy đó do ban
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, you go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take
អូ
that
ខេអ
building
ញ្
to
ចឹង
the
យើង
left.
ចាប់ផ្ដើមឆែកឆេរមើល
All right, man, quick.
កែលោមានព័ត៌
Find
មាន
those
មានអី
detonators,
បន្ថែម
explosives, anything you
អូខេអ
can.
ញ្ចឹងយើងបានរបស់ក៏យើងយកដែរ អូខេបានលុយអូយមានតិចឆ្ក Cigar Cigar បរិយអូខេជក់ Cigar មួយ អូខេយើងសេកនៅក្នុងរលមើលក្នុងនេះមួយទៀត
Here. This
Oh.
looks good.
អូ
What
អ
do you
ញ្ចឹង
think,
យើង
Bill?
ទូបាំងក្របបែក
Looks
ទៅ
fine.
ដាណាមៃ
Smells good.
ដៃណាមៃគេហៅដៃណាមៃ
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
ម៉ៃការរកឃើញ
This
ដែរ
is perfect.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. Of Mr. Leviticus
អូ
Cornwall.
ខេអញ្ចឹង
Mount back up. Let's keep
ឯក
moving.
សារហ្នឹងរកបានហ្នឹងព័ត៌មានពីរថភ្លើង
All right, let's
ហើយ
get
ម្ចាស់
out
រ
of
ថភ្លើង
here.
ហ្នឹងជាឈ្មោះ Conwall
Not a
អូខេ
man
អញ្ចឹង
down.
យើង
Good work,
ចាប់ផ្
fellas.
ដើម
Not bad
វគ្គ
for
ក្រោយ
some
យើងនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើម
starving
ប្រតិប
down
ត្តិការ
house.
ប្លន់ម្ដ
They
ង
can pummel us hard as they like, but we will always get back up and fight. That's who we
អូ
are.
ខេអញ្ចឹងយើងយកអ្វីចង់បានអស់ហើយយើងទៅជំរុំយើងវិញ
Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground. Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he
Okay,
in
យើង
camp with Cole?
ឃើញគ្នាគ្នាអូទីស្គូលនៅដូចអត់តន់អស់ទេនៅសល់ម្នាក់ទៀត
Heading back. Just bring him back
អូ
alive.
ខេអញ្ចឹងយើងធ្វើការចាប់ទាំងរស់យកមកជំរុំយើងដើម្បីសួរចម្លើយ
You're coming with me.
Oh,
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie
អូ
to
ខេ
you.
យើងចាប់បានហ្នឹងឈ្មោះ
This is a
Kieran
real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Kieran Duffy
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please. I hardly know him. Please, mister.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. Come on, just name your price. They don't tell me nothing. I swear.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay. Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
OK យើងមកដល់ជំរំយើងហើយចាប់បានទាំងកូនចៅ OT School មកមួយទៀត
You sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys.
Don't hurt me, please.
Oh, don't worry. They're real nice.
Huh, you found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed 'em as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister. I hate that fella.
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
OK
អូខេ
យើងចាប់ mission old friend ហើយ mission បន្តយើងចាប់ដើមទៅ plan រថភ្លើងម្ដង